How to unsend a message on TikTok. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to unsend a message on TikTok. So if you've sent something by mistake and want to remove it, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. From the home screen, look at the bottom menu and tap on Inbox. This is where all your TikTok chats are stored. Now open up the conversation where you sent the message. Find the message you want to remove, then press and hold on it. You'll see some options appear. Select Delete for all. This will remove the message from both your chat and the other person's chat. If instead you choose Delete for me, the message will only disappear from your side. The other person will still be able to see it. And that's it. You've successfully unsent your message on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.